Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my creamy and tasty mrenda. Mrenda is an indigenous plant here in Kenya, and in English it's known as jute mellow, and in Kijaluo, which is my native language, it's known as apoth. So let me know in the comment section, how do you call this mrenda in your native language? So first I'm going to start by preparing the mrenda by removing the leaves from the stalks, and this is how I do it. So kindly make sure you just watch the process keenly, because I will give you a lot of insight into how it's made. So when cooked, mrenda is a slimy food. Like, it's so slimy and it's so tasty, guys. I just love this. I think I do love how it's slimy, how it feels in the mouth. That's what gives it a lot of taste for me, and I hope you do try it out and enjoy having it. Also, kindly let me know in the comment section if you are interested, or if you'll ever try to make this dish. So this is how I do it, and I hope you see how I'm removing the leaves from the stalk. So I'll just continue doing this up to the very end, then I'll come back. So this is my finished mrenda. I've already removed all the leaves from the stalk, and right now I'm just going to wash it out. And don't worry if you don't have running tap water, because you can just use your basins to wash the boga, but make sure you just give it a good amount of rinses to remove all the dirt and all the sand from it. So here I'm just finishing off rinsing, and after rinsing it's now time to cut my vegetables. And guys, I do understand that some people don't like their vegetables, like their kienyeji vegetables cut, but I really do love mine cut, especially the mrenda one, because I think when you cut you get a lot, like it's a lot of surface area to work with, and it will be more slimy in the mouth, and that's the thing that I'm going for. But you can do as you wish. You can just cook it as it is, or you can cut it, either cut it into smaller pieces or cut it into larger pieces, whichever your preference. after finishing cutting, it's now time to actually start cooking the mrenda. And guys, this is where the fun part starts. So I hope to this point you've already subscribed to my channel and liked the video yet, guys. And also do leave comments. Let me know if you'll try this recipe and if it's interesting to you. If you're learning anything, let me know in the comment section. So when making mrenda, one important ingredient is the magadi. Magadi is also known as sodium bicarbonate, and it's locally found in the shops, or you can even use baking powder to substitute the magadi if you don't have it. So you'll just bring it to a boil with a little amount of water depending on the amount of vegetables that you have. And after it has boiled, you put in your vegetables, then you'll start stirring after a while. Just look through whatever it is that I'm doing, and I hope you understand everything. So I'll give it a good stir using a wooden cooking stick. And guys, as you can see, the slime is already starting to form. The sodium bicarbonate kind of acts as a tenderizer, which tenderizes the vegetables to give it that slimy taste or feel to it. And as you can see, I just love this, and it's so perfect. Look how it's coming out. You'll just continue stirring up to your desired preference, up to the point that you'll feel all the leaves or all the vegetable leaves are cooked properly. And guys, just see that. You can see how slimy it looks. See that. And I assure you, this is so very much tasty. So let me know in the comment section, will you try this? And if you've ever tasted mrenda, how do you like it? Do you love it, or do you hate this kind of vegetable? Let me just know your thoughts in the comment section. So after you finished, you transfer it to another bowl so that you can use the sufuria again, and you start cooking, preparing the onion and tomatoes to be cooked. So you start by putting your oil, then you go in with your onions. And I do love spring onions because of their smell. It's so sweet, and it takes the mrenda to a whole different level. Kindly try this, guys, and you'll thank me later. So guys, for my spring onions, I'll not let them turn golden brown or anything. I'll not let them fry as much, because if they do, they'll become soft. But I always love my spring onions with a bit of texture and the smell to it, so that won't be lost. After that, I'll go in with my tomatoes, and here I am just cutting the tomatoes into the onions and everything, and I just cut them traditionally. I don't pre-chop them. Let me know in the comment section if you love pre-chopping your onions and tomatoes on a chopping board, or just doing it as traditionally the way I'm doing it here. Let me know that. So after that, I'll just go in with a little bit of salt to taste. That's for taste. And after that, I'll let my tomatoes cook. I'll just let them cook as much as possible so that they'll not be crunchy to feel or anything. I'll let them become soft because I don't love the taste of crunchy or not so well cooked tomatoes. So that's what I'm going to do, just covering it, let it sit for a while, then I'll come back and continue stirring. And so this is it. I'm just continuing to stir it and just give it a good soft feel. Then after that, after making sure it's all cooked so well, I'm going to go in with my vegetables and just pour them into the mixture. Then I'll just stir it so very well and ensure that everything is nicely and properly mixed. And this is the reason why I love using the wooden stick. As you can see, it's a lot of the work is made easier. And guys, just see that. Isn't this like really looking beautiful? And it's just amazing. Like, it's so tasty. I really want to have a taste of it right now. This is so beautiful, guys. See that? See how it looks so slimy. Guy, I love this. After I'm convinced that it's well cooked, I'll now go in and make it more creamier. And to do this, I just add my milk over here, and this will just add the topping to everything. Like, it will just make the food more creamy, as you will see. So one thing that I do really love most about mrenda is its fiber content, and as you all know that fiber is good in digestion, so that's a plus for me. So after all the stirring and everything, and you're now convinced that it's all ready to be taken, you'll just go ahead and serve it. And guys, you can just see how this is. I really do love mrenda, guys. I love mrenda. Give me mrenda any day, anytime. So a good accompaniment to this would be hot ugali. Try it and let me know your findings. So please also make sure you comment in the comment section, also subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upload. Also give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.